driving this race. They about to put me on suicide watch. You ready? Top. Well, it is the first day, Friday, out here at West Palm with the $1,000 335. One of the biggest BMW car meets in the world out here in Florida. We drove 10 hours from Georgia yesterday. We saw the clips earlier driving down here. But we did run into an issue. We did get some bad E85 in the car. But we stayed up last night and drained the gas and found some better E85. Got some better E85 in there. Notice I do have a vacuum leak, so we woke up early now. We're about to go ahead and take off this intake manifold, check around the throttle body and all that, make sure my vacuum line isn't cracked or anything. We're gonna come back to y'all hopefully fixing that issue. Try to turn up this car while we're out here, maybe get some runs in with the $1,000 335. Go out to Beamer Invasion tomorrow and get a lot of content of all the cars out there. The burnout competition, try to see some of these other creators out here. A nice little Airbnb out here in Palm Beach. Boys in here ain't on nothing. Coconuts in the backyard. Nice little B&B though. We out here feeling like I'm in like Puerto Rico or something. We got coconuts right in the backyard. They don't have this in Georgia, man. This shit is crazy. What the heck? Clay was sitting right here on this hammock last night and thought he heard one of us walking behind him, and he said there was like a 4-foot iguana just walking right across this. So yeah, we're definitely in Florida. Sealant maker for the win. Out here at the fairgrounds in Palm Beach with the $1,000 335. Pulling up on my boy Jason, helping him unload the 335 that has the old N55 turbo kit from DG Auto Works. Crazy wheel setup. You saw we did have a little gasket pinch. Was able to get some gasket maker and we got it saved. Thankfully, some G80s. I know there's a lot of content creators out here, so this is the time to make a good opportunity.
Made my first million, I ain't penny. I only drink out this hill, don't it's heavy. I bought my mama crib, I I'm outstanding. I'm pressing my custard pill till it's granted. I bought a Chanel heels. I'm Chanel, baby. I still got vintage garments. Owes my granny. Got my interior all now outside candy. I put your in bomb on me 'cause she pretty. Hey. Freaking face. My hands do not come with a waist. I'm impatient, I don't wanna wait. I eat golden, I am what I ate. I go up at Uber that 8. Ain't no shame that I hit with some snakes. Cast out on the farm today. I hop in that Ryan. I never get tired of the hate. I went to the top like a gate. You lit, copy and paste. That go like a shake.
With my boy Justin in 54 to the front. Got my boy Quay, Jamie, Nick. You already know we're outside. Honestly, don't know where I'm at, what shop this is. We're about to walk around, talk to some people, and see what the f is going on. GTR. Right on the water back here. Where the hell we spawned at, y'all? Gazer.
The alligator's somewhere right there. Where's the gators at, man?
Shop right here on this like canal I was showing has to be like one of the craziest shops I've been to. This is straight motivation right here. We will have this one day.
That right there.
The shop.
Me.
She keep it y'all. Keep receipts of the shit that I bought. Keep it lean on my wrist when I floss. Carrot stuck in my teeth when I talk. You gon' notice the season I walk. It's a pen, it's not a law. You got the G that is not a drink off. If I put on white, then it's gotta be off. G don't say a word without body get tall. Sensitive turning me on. Wanna know what the cardio costs? Put a Rolex on the arm. When I made my first million, they ain't pay me. I'm gonna drink out this hill. Done with baby. Bought my mama crib. I'm not standing. I'm pushing my cup in the field. Till it's green. I'm about to take the hills. I'm just there, baby. I still got vintage garments. Owes my granny. Got my interior all on the outside candy. I put your in bomb on me 'cause she pretty.
I see all them shots, them niggas throwing they in that rig though.
What's up, Ray? We found someone for Ray. Damn, that tire is huge, bro. Bro, please race him. Hell, I see it's swapped and everything. Damn. You should do that. That'll be hard.
The LA, that state rep special, bro. This is back.
Yeah, it's crazy what you can get away with in Florida, bro. Everyone got single turbos here.
That tire is huge.
The big old slick, and up front he got skinnies, bro. I've never seen a Beamer with skinnies, bro. He's trying to pop a wheelie tonight.
about to run it right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Run it. Ray, you better get that nigga. Get that nigga, Ray. Get that nigga, Ray. Yeah. He's out on him. He's out on him. Oh my God! What the fuck? Why did he wave at you? What the f? I'm a bitch! I'm a bitch! I'm a bitch! They said you jump? I did jump! I had to! I had to jump. I'm weak. I had to. Time, King. I couldn't have asked for a better time.
Crazy one. But we couldn't get a run. There was too much traffic, bro. But that thing is crazy. It sounds insane.
G82 PQ. We're gonna have to get a run again once I get the boost turned up. We didn't make it this time. What's going on, bro? Bro,
it's so crazy seeing you in person.
Hell yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
My brother.
Hell yeah, nice to meet you, bro. Ain't even finding it. We weren't able to get the run in, but maybe soon. All the BMWs out here. Single turbo G80. HREs. Getting late. At the second, third meetup spot. Then we're about to go ahead and call it a wrap after this. One more ride now tonight. We got to wake up for Beamer Invasion. Hopefully we'll see Nick again. Can get another run in. Unfortunately, didn't have enough room in. Another trip out to Mexico soon. We are on the way back. Beamer invasion from Mexico.
Paid up to men about every last time I drive. She cover my license plate. Yeah, I make the whole trap jump right now like a